I was like, oh, that's nice. It's a little bigger than I wanted, but it's cute. When I took it out of the packaging, here. So here's how it arrived. So it arrived like this. Take it out. There's your packaging. So there's no cushion. So I take it out of this tiny little bag. And here's how it arrived. I very gingerly pulled it out. And I see this. Do you see it? That crimp? And my heart sank. And I'm like, oh, you know what? These are usually pretty fragile. let's see if you notice it when it's on. And you do. It's very obvious when you're wearing it. Sure as shoot, you can see it. It's such an obvious, how did that even get put out to be sold? So here's what I think happened. PAVOI, you could have saved money by just putting it in a little cushioned box. Look, there, that's its limit, okay? So I think what someone did was they tried to cram it into this little PAVOI bag. Somebody just did a lousy job of doing its turn rate. Here's its turn rate. You want it to be a little bit looser than what it'll allow. There's your turn rate with a little bit looser. And then you would very delicately slide it in. I'm assuming someone returned this. Somebody didn't want to take the time to curl it. So they got to this point and then they crammed it in there. And I bet we'll see, even on the chain, that that's about where the crimping occurred. Let's try it. Here, they took it off of their neck. They held it by its clasp. They're pushing it in, letting it fall. And then, dude, am I not a genius? Look at that.